Toyota Supra, GR Supra, type, sports car engine, 3.0-liter, turbo inline-6 power, approximately 382 horsepower, known for an iconic design and legendary racing heritage, made famous by Fast and Furious. Nissan GT-R, R35, type, supercar engine, 3.8-liter twin-turbo V, 6 power, 565 to 600 horsepower. Nickname, Godzilla, legendary for its power, speed, and dominance on the track. Honda Civic Type R-Type. Hot hatch. Sports car engine, 2.0-liter. Turbocharged inline-4 power, approximately 315 horsepower feature. Delivers race-level performance while remaining practical for daily driving. Full-size SUV engine, 3.3-liter twin-turbo diesel / 4.0-liter petrol power, approximately 409 horsepower specialty, known as the king of durability, trusted worldwide for off-road and military use. Lexus LS500 Type, luxury sedan, engine, 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, power, 416 horsepower. Highlight, Japanese craftsmanship meets modern luxury. Lexus represents Toyota's elite class. Mazda RX-7 Type, sports coupe engine, 1.3-liter twin-rotor rotary power, approximately 276 horsepower, fame. Lightweight, agile, and loved for its unique rotary engine sound and drift performance. Subaru WRX STI Type, all-wheel drive sports sedan, engine, 2.5-liter turbo boxer, power, 310 horsepower, feature, rally-bred power with signature boxer engine rumble and unbeatable handling. Toyota Corolla Type, compact sedan, hatchback engine, 1.8 to 2.0 liters, petrol power, 139 to 169 horsepower. Highlight, the world's best-selling car, known for reliability, fuel efficiency, and comfort. Acura NSX, Honda NSX. Type, hybrid supercar engine, 3.5-liter, twin-turbo V, 6+3 electric motors, power, 573 horsepower specialty, Japan's hybrid supercar, combining precision, speed, and futuristic technology. Acura NSX, Honda NSX. Type, hybrid supercar engine, 3.5-liter twin-turbo V 6+3 electric motors. Power, 573 horsepower specialty, Japan's hybrid supercar, combining precision, speed, and futuristic technology.
Yeah!